Okay, so today we are looking at the Tswana names that we find in the scriptures. Okay, so we're gonna start with the name John. Okay, so this is the name, as you can see, the gospel according to Saint John. Okay, this is taken from William Tyndale. Okay, so this is YHON. Okay, so as you can see, all right, if you didn't know, all right, so J was not there. Okay, let me just read this article in Google. Okay, both I and J were used interchangeably by scribes to express the sound of both the vowels and the consonants. It wasn't until 1524 when Gian Gio Trisano, okay, an Italian Renaissance grammarian known as the father of the letter J, made a clear distinction between the two sounds. Okay, so we see that J was created before 1824. There was no letter J. Okay, all right. The Tswana Sotho Bantu names, they have meanings. Okay, so if you look at YHON, it sounds like it's Yohano. Okay, will be the proper name for John. Okay, this is Yohano. Okay, let's look at also the scriptures. Okay, of this. If you look at Luke chapter 1, verses 13 and 15, it talks about Zacharias calling in verse 13 his name that of his son, that he will be called John. Okay, and in verse 15 it says, "For he shall be great in the sight of the Lord." Okay, Yohano. Okay, so there are expressions of angels at my presence. Okay, or angels in the presence of the Creator. So this name from verse 15, Yohano, great in the sight of the Lord. And we also know that the Savior spoke of John as among the great prophets. Okay, all right, cheers.